Hello. Welcome back to the LC channel. So we did something a little bit different today. Yeah. So let me get right into it just to explain what's going on. That's gonna bother me like crazy. So if you didn't know, I did a live stream yesterday, kind of showing you what I did in terms of this little project that I'm doing, my Pokédex Pro. And so far, I added a few things. So if you notice, so I'll tell you something right now. Close that for now. Nothing's gonna happen yet. Some of these things will be subject to change, obviously, when this comes out. Because I want to try and make this available to the public, but if it's not, it's whatever. So let's begin by checking it out. So if you've been here before, you've been here yesterday, because I had a whole live stream about 2 hours showing this off. This wasn't here before. I actually decided to make a login system because apparently for this project I had to add in user input. So let me just open up one thing. Oh, that's not it. Oop, that's the release notes. I don't really care about that. There we go. So this is the workbench. Let me load up my stuff. There we go. Looks like I don't need that anymore. So these are my databases, and I have this. Give it a second. There we go. So this is my login information. Yeah, it's very surprising. So right now, this is what I have. So if I were to type in stuff currently, I would load up the thing. But, let's create an account. Just try it out. So you can put your first name, last name, username, and password. So let's, we got to think of a name. If you watched my Unbound playthrough, you probably know. But Slurf, blah. I don't really care. And let's have the username as Pickles. No, wait, username Slurf Unbound. You got the password. The password will be Pickles. Create account. Your account has successfully been created. Okay, so before we go any further, if I were to load this up again, 26. Yeah, the login info I gotta adjust because I was going through each one, kind of adjusting it. But I think it's what it said it. I'm not too sure. So we got 26 Slurf blah Slurf Unbound Pickles, and this is null for a reason. So let's log in with our credentials. So Slurf Unbound password Pickles. Thank you for logging in. It shows your little name. So you're like, okay. And you have all the stuff, so it goes back, and you can look at all the Pokemons and stuff. One thing I did disable is the cry button. Cry button doesn't do anything currently. See, that was a big change I wanted to add in the login system. Now you can view everything, and it'll be kind of cool. But let's say I am doing work, and let's say someone calls me to look up stuff. Let's not look up stuff, but let's say I gotta head out and go somewhere, but I want to keep looking through this stuff. File, save current page. Page has been saved. Okay, let's close this. Let's reload this one more time. I want you to watch right here. These two values. 421. If you don't know, that is Cherum's Pokedex number. So let's fire this up again. Slurf Unbound Pickles. There you go. So you're back to Cherum. The only problem is that this doesn't update. If you notice, it doesn't have the name. But if I were to go to, let's go back to Cherum, which is right here, it updates. So I don't know why it doesn't do that. It's so weird. In fact, in the code, it should say set prompt text to whatever, but it's whatever. But that's all I wanted to show you. Nothing too long. Just show you what I did. Oh, there's one other thing I wanted to do. If you have a form and you hit save current page, page cannot be saved. The reason why is this is gonna be very difficult. I gotta find it first. If the ID is greater than 890. So, whoops. So if I go to instead Eternatus and I hit, hold on, save current page. Page has been saved. Close it. Yeah, it's glitching because of that thing. Probably because of the form change combo box. I gotta fix that. And you go here. I go back to Slurf Unbound. Pickles. As soon as this loads up, but this doesn't update. But other than that, it works as it should. Shiny. So that's all I wanted to show you. Hopefully everyone has a good day. See you later.